Hello, sixth grade ELA. Miss Ulrich here. Sorry you couldn't join us this morning or join us during your class. I'd like to encourage you to make sure that you do join us tomorrow and make sure you log in on time so that you can get the live version of your lesson. All right, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go over what you need to get done for today, Wednesday, September the 2nd. And I'm going to point out real quick, you did have a mentor sentence I handed out on Monday. You needed to make sure that you work on your work at Wednesday. So you're doing the Wednesday portion of the same sentence. That's a separate assignment in your Schoology folder for today. Okay, so be sure you click on that and you complete the assignment, turn it in. Quick reminder also, I wanted to let you know that your micro writing number 2, that's for the first week of school poem that we read. You had to do 2 micro writings in your composition book. Please be sure you complete those. I will be giving you instructions later on this week on how you will be submitting those to me. All right, so for today, we went ahead and we worked on, we're going to be reading a UCLA article. And if you click right here on the link, okay, it'll take you to the article. I want to make sure and point out to you, be sure you are logged in with your school Gmail and using your school email account. When you click on UCLA, it may ask you to sign in. You're going to make sure that you click on the Google, okay, to make sure you sign in. You're not signing up for anything, but be sure you do sign in with Google. Okay, so it'll take you to this article. This third culture kid can choose who she wants to be. So here's your article that you're going to be reading, and you should see some words that are underlined in green. I'm going to point those out to you. Okay, you have the words version, experience, complicated, opportunity, and you have grateful. Those are 5 words that we are calling power words. You're going to need to make sure that you copy those down, and I'll explain in just a second. But here is the article that we worked on or worked with today. So you're going to work with that article, and I'm going to show you what your assignment is for this part. So your micro writing using the article is going to be in your composition book. Okay, so you want to make sure that you look at the image that I'm uploaded for you right here. And today's page in your composition book should look just like this. So the top part, you're going to make sure that you write the full title of the article. Okay, and what you're going to do is on the bottom, you're going to write this down. Write down 5 power words, okay, 5 facts from the article. So today we're going to focus on the power words right in here, what's highlighted. So you're going to number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're going to write down those 5 power words only. Do not do the 5 facts. That's going to be for tomorrow, okay? Now, you're going to make sure that when you write your title down, you're going to read that title again and tell me what you can infer about the article based on the title. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to copy this question down. What can you infer about the article based on the title? So here's how your sentence should start. I can infer the article is about, fill in the blank, because, fill in the rest of the blank, and then put your period. Okay? So that's how that part's going to do. Are going to work. So then the second half of your page, you write down the 5 power words, those vocabulary words that are underlined in green. Okay, we're going to copy those down. Again, we'll work on the facts tomorrow. Okay, so we talked about the UCLA article, talked about the inferencing, we talked about your 5 power words. So you are going to read the article once. Again, I'm going to tell you, you're going to read the article independently. You'll read it. Write down the 5 power words, underline in green, put those in your composition book. Make sure you turn in your Wednesday mentor sentence activity. That, again, is in your Schoology under Wednesday's folder, September the 2nd. Okay, it's due by tonight. There are still some students in this class that have not turned it in. If you have not submitted your assignments, you need to make sure that you are completing your work, double checking in your folder, And thank you to those who have sent me messages asking questions. If you are in doubt, guys, please be sure you reach out to me. Communicate with me, okay? All right, so that's pretty much it for today. All right, so look at your to-do list. Look at the slides. Make sure your composition book mirrors this. It should look just like this. And then I put the poem here. Remember, our first week of poem by Janet Wong. This was your micro writing number 2. Here's the question. Be sure you get that in written down form in your composition book. Hope this was helpful. Hope to see you live tomorrow. Have a good day, Hobby Hawks.